All right, so I want to introduce you to this half glove. I will say, you could use it left or right. It goes both ways. You could flip it around for the left or right. Doesn't matter. Measure from the actual this point here to this point. All right, you got to measure it to get the right measurements. This thing feels super wonderful. My wife actually got one for herself because she constantly types every day. And I actually use this mouse pad here, if you guys can see, because I need to actually elevate my actual hand. But with this, I don't have to no more. I could just keep it there. It keeps your hand nice and cold. It feels super, super wonderful with this. So if you guys are looking for something very unique, I mean, it keeps it cold, nice and cold. I mean, you don't even have to put it in the fridge to begin with. It just automatically out of the box, I put it on, and I thought it was some sort of chemical reaction or something, but no, it's just actual gloves. So if you guys are looking for something like this for any kind of injuries or maybe sorenesses, this is perfect for you guys. All right, first of all, I want to show you how cold this thing gets. And the only way I can show you is with a thermal camera. Look at my hand, how hot it is compared to the actual glove. The glove, I don't know how it sustains the actual coldness, but the gel feels really fresh and wonderful. So, I mean, for if you have injuries or maybe some sort of pain or something, this might assist with some of that stuff, get rid of that stuff. So, not the cure or anything like that, but it helps out. But look at this. You see, my hand is super hot, and look at that, the actual glove.